Hello everyone, this is CanMate. In this video I'll show you how I'm currently making a camper van out of modeling clay.
Let me repeat. In these short videos, I'll be showing you how I make different vehicles out of modeling clay during the sculpting stage, when they're not fully finished yet. This way, videos will come out more often. So I'm making this camper van out of sculpting clay, and I based it on a 2004 Ford camper. First, to make it, I took two long wooden sticks, covered them with clay, and made a frame out of them.
And on this frame I started sculpting the cab, and here's what I ended up with. The front part is ready, I've already finished the interior, installed the dashboard, two seats, and everything as it should be. I also detailed the underbody, made all the necessary elements, the drive shaft, rear axle and exhaust system. Soon I plan to paint the underbody, it won't stay grey. And the engine is also ready. I made it using the BMW NG drive because this van matches the original and it's easier for me to see it here than just in photos of the original van. I also gave it working running gear, so it will be able to drive. Well, that's it. This is what the motorhome looks like at this stage. For now, it doesn't really look like one, but it will soon. Once the cab is ready, I'll install a platform on the back, and then I'll put the living module with all the furniture inside on top of it. I think it will be easier to build the living area separately, and then, once it's done, just attach it to the frame and that's it. I plan to blow up this motorhome to simulate a gas cylinder explosion. I think it should turn out interesting. Well, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, subscribe to the channel if you're here for the first time and you're interested in my work. You can also join my group on VK, where I share my sculpting process. Thank you all for watching, goodbye everyone.